Hi there. Today, about nature of mind. Mind is like space. Allow space into things. Your heart is full of space. Let that space spread out through the chest, throughout the body, out of the body. Let the body disintegrate into the space. When you rest in this space, in this still part of the mind, the well-being you experience is beyond anything you can possibly experience on a physical level. And it's stable, it's permanent. Mind is space. Notice even my voice, the sound of my voice coming out of the space and back into the space, into emptiness, empty space, into nothingness, into silence. While I'm sitting here now and talking to you, I'm talking out of the space, my body is space. I experience everything as space. And then forms come out of this space, go back into this space. Shapes appear and disappear, colors, tastes, sounds come and go out of this space. Empty space, silent space, mind. Mind is space. If you are not experiencing this for yourself yet, while you're practicing no thinking, moving towards the still part of the mind, allow this space to spread. Don't latch onto things, don't identify in them. Allow this space into everything, to permeate everything, to pervade everything, to penetrate everything, everything. There is a lightness, there is a brightness in this space. There is self-knowing in this space. You just need to allow it to happen. Gradually it will spread. All the things, including all the bodies, your body, my body, anybody, are just space. They're these shapes forming out of the space and then falling back into the space, this falling back into the space, moment after moment after moment. Notice the space. There is freedom. There is well-being beyond any imagination inside this space. Still mind, silence. Everything is space. Everything comes out of it and goes back into it. Wave-like. Enjoy it. Take care. Bye-bye.